Hi everyone, my name is Gerald Britton. Welcome to my course, Capturing Logic with Custom Functions in PostgreSQL. I'm a senior database designer and Pluralsight author. Out of the box, all database systems come packaged with great functionality. However, the business-specific items that you need to manage, you need to provide. Custom functions are one piece of that large puzzle, and that is just what this course is about. Some of the major topics that we will cover include writing functions in SQL and pgSQL, using polymorphism, securing your functions, and defending your database and your functions. By the end of this course, you'll know how to create functions to address common business needs and a good set of best practices to follow in your work. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with querying tables and views in PostgreSQL. You'll also need access to a running copy of a Postgres database, or you can follow the setup instructions given in the introductory material. From here on, you should feel comfortable diving into advanced topics with courses on PostgreSQL built-in functions, advanced database programming, and performance tuning. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about writing functions with the Capturing Logic with Custom Functions in PostgreSQL course at Pluralsight.